An apple tree doesn't stand a chance against Alternaria fungi. The leaves wither and fall, and the apples are ruined. A disaster for apple farmers like Adarsh Kumar. The 64-year-old lost almost 75% of his harvest to the parasite this year.
It's never happened before. This is the first year I have faced this. All the leaves turn brown and spotted from one day to the next. Himachal Pradesh is known as the apple state. Orchards are protected against the force of the sun with white tarps. With its cool climate and fertile soil, conditions here in the north of India are ideal. And some 500,000 farmers work in apple cultivation. But this year, nothing helped against the Alternaria fungi, and 60% of harvests were lost. Scientist Usha Sharma from the Krishi Vigyan Kendra Farm Science Center says, the winter was simply too warm and dry. There was far too little snow. Along with warmer temperatures, we are also seeing more pests and disease. Right now, we are seeing an increased occurrence of Alternaria in high altitude areas. The main reasons are the drought conditions that we had in winter that stressed the plants. After a winter with little snow, spring brought heavy rain showers, hailstorms, and flooding. Perfect conditions for fungi. Many farmers tried to protect their harvests with chemical pesticides, including Adarsh Kumar. Ever since his trees were hit with apple scab in the 1980s, he's been treating his fruit with more and more fungicides. We have been using fungicides and pesticide sprays ever since. Initially, we sprayed the crops 6 to 7 times per season, but now we spray up to 15 to 20 times per season. He is not alone. These days, fewer farmers use organic fertilizer on their plantations, such as agricultural waste and cattle manure, than in the past. As a result, the use of chemical fertilizers has almost doubled over the past 40 years. And that has consequences. The microbial population in the soil is decreasing because the more fertilizers are used, the more it's destroyed. This in turn reduces the nutrient uptake for the plants. At the Krishi Vigyan Kendra Farm Science Center, Usha Sharma is retraining farmers in traditional regenerative agriculture. The scientists are convinced that this is the only way to increase yields in the long term. Last year alone, natural farming methods were introduced on around 600,000 acres of land in Himachal Pradesh. Pranav Rawat now does many things differently. The third-generation fruit farmer has an apple and pear plantation spanning almost 20 acres. His trees have managed to fight off fungal disease. His trick is to plant mustard between the apple trees.
Brassica जो family होती है, उसमें एक normal example है mustard.
Mustard belongs to the Brassica family. In winter, I plant Brassica around the trees because it destroys the fungi at its roots.
अपनी roots से जितने भी fungus के spores हैं उनको eat कर जाता है.
It doesn't like fungi.
उसको fungus पसंद नहीं आती है.
He also relies on different crop rotations and companion planting. In other words, he makes sure there aren't too many trees of one variety close together. That helps prevent pest infestation.
उसमें पहला जो problem है जो हम लोग अभी face
A problem that we face is in monocropping, as with apple orchards, is that if one tree becomes diseased, this will soon spread to other trees. But in natural systems, pine trees might be close to oaks, and the grass below is of different species, so pine will not transfer the diseases to oak. Pranav Rawat is convinced that diseases in agriculture cannot be combated with chemicals. He says that due to increasing resistance, more and more aggressive pesticides are needed for the crops over time.
ऐसे करके ये इंडस्ट्री जो है ग्रो करती जा रही है.
This is how the industry is growing and natural systems are ignored because they are less profitable.
सेल्स जनरेट नहीं होती है.
And the scientists aren't able to convince farmers to adapt. But we are forming communities to practice regenerative farming and learn how to control these problems naturally. 4 years ago, Pranav Rawat launched a YouTube channel and now has close to 6,000 followers.
मैं जो एक्सपेरिमेंट करता हूं और जो मेरे को
These days, I post videos of what I'm doing online, so other farmers can learn from my experience and try things out themselves. Adarsh Kumar knows that things can't go on like this. He'll soon be handing over his farm to his children. He now believes that they will only be able to live from apple farming if they switch to more sustainable practices.